Come on down to the kitchen, get yourself in the mood. 'Cause when Britt gets to cooking, you're in for some good food. Yeah!
Top of the morning to you, peaches. Britt Rochelle here to rile up your St. Paddy's Day with a delicious classic dish, Colcannon, or mashed potatoes with extra vegetables and onions. From the heartland, you see. What you're gonna need for this here dish now is potatoes. I'm using the little ones, they cook up a bit faster and they're just as tasty. Some sour cream, garlic, leeks, green onions, and a regular onion. You can use just half, I'm gonna use the whole thing, like me a little onion on my St. Patrick's Day. When you need some cilantro, about half a cup, 4 cups chopped cabbage, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of butter, and because it just sounds delicious, I'm going to add half of this ground turkey here. Oh, did I mention the garlic? If I didn't, you don't want to forget your garlic. Delicious. Measure that with your heart. Deepen up and get started, eh? Oh, if you're feeling real feisty now, add you some cheese in there, mix it all up. It'll be real creamy and, well, cheesy. I like me some cheese. Now, let's deepen up and get started, eh? First thing you're going to want to do now, get your pot of water boiling so you can get your potatoes ready. Want to do that while you're chopping, you're going to be waiting for hours. Let that sit for a little bit on a medium heat. Now, I'm going to get a big old knife here. Just chop up our vegetables and our onions and our seasonings. And I'd say the cilantro for last. Don't really need it quite yet. Leeks are easy. You just chop them up as so. Make it look a little bit harder than it is. That's just because my knives are shite. I brought some knives up on my Amazon wish list there if you want to give me a little St. Paddy's Day treat. Just saying. Careful with knives now when you're using them. About lost my finger there. Right then, nip it in the bud. Get this here onion nice and chopped up as well. If you ain't crying, you ain't doing it right. Here we go, just gonna get these diced up nice and wee. that enough onion for you? It's not enough for me, Chop our green onions now. Nice and wee, just like the other onions. These ones you cut up just like the leeks there. Just gotta chop them up nice and long. So these ones are already quite wee, so you don't really need to chop them up any smaller. There we go, leaves and all. Alright, let's do the chop. I'm going to get all these. Yeah, I'm going to get all these in a separate bowl. Get these all prepped and ready to go. I'm going to keep the onions slightly separate from the leeks and the green onions for the purpose of, well, the yellow onions are going to take a little bit longer to cook. So we're going to want to cook those in the pot first. I'm just going to take this all out of cabbage. Chop it up nice into slices. You're looking to avoid the center bit here. That's not going in the potatoes. Cut around it. Before I chop that a bit finer, I'm going to get to the potatoes and I can fine tune that in a wee bit. There we go, yeah, I'm going to take a little break. But suffice to say, the carrot's going to be wee tiny when you're done with it. Probably only use half the head. A lot more cabbage than I realised. Now that our water's about fit to boil, gonna get our potatoes ready. Now again, I'm using smaller ones because they don't take so long to cook. I'm still going to go ahead and chop each one in half. But that'll take even less time. Wait, never mind, it's taking way too long, they're small enough. In the pot they go. Now we're going to check back on this in about 15-20 minutes, Should be nice and soft. Right. Now we've chopped and got the potatoes prepping. We're going to take our 2 tablespoons of butter, or more if you're Halloween. But we're going to take about 2 tablespoons here. And melt it over medium-high heat. And once that butter melts nice and soft and melted, we'll throw in our onions. First we do the onion with the garlic, then we add in our cabbage. You always want to do the vegetables first and then the meat. No other, the turkey will be added once everything is nice and caramelized. Put about 2-3 tablespoons of our garlic here. Saute it all together. Be delicious. Oh, it smells cracking, Now that the rest, it's all cracking together. If there's any bits that you didn't quite chop up right, do it with your spatula. It'll be alright. It all cooks together. If you have a bigger pan, use it. This will do me just fine. For the brats, I got a clean eye. See now that bright green colour is what we want there. Very vibrant for St. Patrick's Day. That means it's almost done cooking. So now that we've got our onions all nice and caramelised, we're going to throw in our ground turkey, our cabbage, and our cilantro. And salt and pepper to taste, don't you forget that. Pop this right in. You want to check your potatoes now? Just stick a fork in them. See, I can't even get the fork in there. They're not done. You want to be able to just jam it in there and have them slide right off. Alright, look at that beautiful browning on the turkey. Oh, and the wilted cabbage just makes it. And salt and pepper to taste, and check those potatoes. There we go, nice healthy helping. Clear up your sinuses this well. Perfect for allergy season too. That doesn't do it, the onions will. Alright, let's check these potatoes. Oh yeah. Slides right off, folks, right in. Put this one in half there. I'm gonna get these all nice and strained and into the big old bowl, eh? Now for the fun part. Mashing the taters. Oh yeah, see those mash perfectly. Watch out. Fresh out the pot, they're going to be still real steaming hot now.
There'll be some good mashing action.
Oh yeah, that's what she said. And who keeps commentating on my cooking here? Thought I was alone in this kitchen.
Pay no attention.
Oh, and by the way now, if you want to peel your taters before boiling and mashing them and sticking them in a stew or your Colcannon, make sure you know. I'm not going to tell you you're wrong, but I am judging you harshly. It's much better with the skins on. But now see, we're going to mix everything all up in our big old bowl here. And I go, get this over here. Now I'm not straining the meat, the juices here. I'm just going to mix it all together and give it that little extra flavour. Right, and then do half a tub of this Irish, well, Daisy sour cream. If we need more, let's throw in the half, but I'm going to mix this all together and give it a taste first. Oh, another thing, put out a little bit more butter, get that nice buttery flavour going on there. Can't mash potatoes without butter now, can you? Now when you're mixing your Colcannon there, make sure you scrape the bottom of the bowl or you're just going to have weird layers of cabbage and onion and potato. Want it all together. And last but certainly not least, throw in our cheese here. It'll add a nice extra creamy cheesy texture. Now it says Mexican blend. Use whatever cheese you like. An Irish origin would probably be better, but just keep it a secret between you and me, aye? But there's someone behind me for a minute there. Worked up quite a sweat with all that mixing. Let's get this on a plate and get her taste testing, eh? Well, she ain't winning no pageants there. Let's see how she is with the flavour. Woo! Shave me in and call me Sinead. That's a good Irish dish there. Try to cook a potato. But of course, I want you to tell me how you cook your potatoes. What Irish or potato-based dishes you're going to be serving on your St. Patrick's Day party. Let me know on all my socials. BrittRochelle.com or BrittRochelle.care.co. So there, I got the Instagram, Twitch, I live stream, I do all that stuff. Twitter, all of it. Happy St. Patrick's Day there. Stay peachy. It's a perfect day to put on some Celtic Thunder and some cranberries and just crack it out with your mates, eh? We should do it.
Aye, it'll be a good day for that.
A leprechaun?
Aye. I'm summoned by your wonderful cooking there.
Oh, well, thank you. You give me no time to clean up, but I can make you a plate, make you a guest. St. Patrick's Day after all.
It is St. Patrick's Day. And a happy St. Patrick's Day to you.
Oh, you're too much. This is cracking out of here.
I can't wait to be tasting this lovely day. Is that Mexican cheese?
It's what they had at the market. Leave bugger off.
You've
Eat
done
it or
soiled
leave.
the dish.
Oh.
You're on the St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, I'm sure it can't be that serious.
Oh, for that you'll turn you into a swamp ogre. Ah!
Please!
Jominy Crickets!